Hello everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we have substantial news on GCM mining. Apparently they are combining with Aris Gold. Okay, so let's look at the terms. This is the important sentence. So all the outstanding Aris Gold shares that are not held by GCM, which is 55%, I think. Yeah, 55% was not held by GCM, and they will be exchanged at a ratio of 0.5 of a common share of GCM for each common share of Aris Gold. So 2 shares of Aris Gold gives 1 GCM share. So that's the combination. So I did that here. We have the share count of GCM, and then we add 55% of Aris Gold that has not been held by GCM, and we do 137 divided by 2 because Aris Gold has 137 shares outstanding. Yeah, 138, but okay, so let's use 137. It doesn't matter. So when I do this, then we get the new share count. PE ratio is now around 5.5. Another thing that's important to know is that there's no premium on the transaction. So you don't need to do arbitrage because there is no premium. And you can easily see that because 1.65 times 2 is 3.4. Okay, so there's no premium. Another important thing to notice is this here. There will be cost savings of 10 million per year through the reduction of duplicative public company expenses. So that's why I added to the earnings 10 million. So 10 million. So this gives me the new earnings of 65 million per year. And that gives me the PE ratio today at 5.5 for the combined company. So this is actually a fair value company for Colombia. Fully diluted 7 PE of 7. So this is buyable. Now, so the market cap is now using this share count, okay? And the share price is 2.64 of GCM. So the market cap will be 360 million US dollars. Okay, so that's this tiny bump here. So it bumped from 250 to 350. So a 100 million increase. Okay, that's around half the market cap of Aris Gold. Okay, because they bought the 50% interest right now. So now it jumped by 100 million. But look at the value. Okay, so the value of Segovia is using the Segovia production, which by the way has been rising. Okay, this is just because they had 5 days of maintenance, but it has been rising. So that's Segovia. And GoldX, which is under construction and coming online in 2024, is added here. So that's this production, this AIC, below 1000 AIC. And that gives us this value. And now we have the Aris Gold that's been added. And Aris Gold is now 100% ownership. It was 45%. So when we add this, we get this bump here. That's the bump from 45% ownership to 100% ownership. And it adds around 400 million in value. 400. While the market cap just jumped only 100 million. So this is actually very accretive for GCM shareholders because their market cap only went up by 100, but the value of the company went up by 400 million based on these production numbers. Okay, this will come online in 2024. Very good AISC, and now ownership is 100%. So all in all, very good. Earnings went up due to less expenses. Actually, this 10 million can bring in 100 million in market cap, because we have a PE ratio of 10, and then 10 million in extra earnings will give a market cap of 100 million. So this already is a very good buy, because there are cost savings, and 10 million is very significant. And second, we have now 100% ownership, and this is adding 400 million in value as compared to only a 100 million in market cap increase. So this is a strong buy. Okay, I think this is a strong buy. Now you need to wait, of course, until 2024 before these mines get built. There is capex overhang around 20%, maybe more. So the value could be a bit less, but there is still a lot of upside. From 350 million could be a $2 billion company later on. So that's fivefold in a few years. Of course, we need the gold price not to collapse. Gold price is now at 1700. It could go lower, I don't know. Let's say it goes to 1600. Then of course the valuations come down, still very high. Let's say 1500, then we still have an upside. 1400, at 1400 still an upside. 1300, maybe less upside. So as long as gold stays at this level, we do not have to worry. You get paid as well. I think 4% of dividends per year right now, based on the new share count. So it's a good buy. So that was the update, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.